Whatever.
He oranga ngākau, he piki ngā waiora.
I just felt like I'd had everything taken from me. And I didn't want to live. Just become really lost. It's hard to find myself. I couldn't find myself.
He uri no Ngāi Tahu he pāpā anō hoki a Aoraki Brennan. I te tau 2020 i whakatau ngā ngai o hauora kai aia te mate Motor Neuron. Me tā rātau kōrero i rima tau e toi ana mo tōna oranga. E ai kia Brennan nā ngā āhuatanga mate hinengaro I ka hapa mai I te whakangaromanga.
It changed my whole āhua, changed the way I was thinking. Yeah, it just destroyed me. Just put me way off track, pretty much. Yeah, I went into this self-destruct mode, and I wrecked everything that was close to me.
Yeah, pretty upset because I didn't want him to die or something, like being sick.
It was quite hard just watching, knowing that this happy person just get worse and worse and distance himself and make it, like if I try and talk to him about things, he'd make excuses and push me away.
I te tau 2022 I ngana a Brennan kia whakamomori. Ko tā tōna māma a Mary Brennan, he waua te kite I o tamariki e rongo I te takaora-oratanga me tōna hiahia kia nui ake te tautoko I taua wā.
And in some ways it was almost good when he got to that really bad state and we had the support around him to help him get out of that because it made him realise how bad he was, but very hard to watch.
I roto I ngā tau, kua noho a Brennan I raro I te kapua pauri. Engari I tēnei wā, kua pai ake tōna oranga tinana me tōna oranga wairua. Kua whakaora anō ia I tana pāmu raima, hei kai whakawhiwhi mahi ma ngā uri o Ngāi Tahu.
It's amazing. It's something I never thought I would see in him, to be honest, to come back as strong as he is. Like, I know he's definitely not at 100%, but he's obviously strong enough mentally, emotionally and physically to be a concrete placer. That's not an easy job for a fit person.
Grow my business, create opportunities for more Māori, preferably Ngāi Tahu. I just feel so good being able to help again. I feel so good having my cousins around me and employing them and giving them jobs, giving them opportunities, especially when I know they've come from dark places as well, and being able to bring them forward with me.
Ko te tūmanako ia, ka piki tonu te oranga, ka haere toru ngā whia kumahi, mā ngā uri o Ngāi Tahu. Halle Taite-Pitama, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te taka.